Now the question is, why, when we want to go from silo mentality to collaborative approach, why do we still keep organizational structures visually displayed as a separate functions? Why do we still communicate verbally one thing, but our files and organizational charts, they show completely different? So we simply need to sit down one day and stop lying to ourselves and think, what do I communicate as a leader? What type of documents and visuals match that? And keep those only. What do I communicate as a leader? And what type of documents, visuals from our intranet, anywhere, doesn't match the communication and my purpose? And just simply delete it. Don't be afraid to delete it, because already your company is working holistically. It doesn't work in these silos. It works as interconnected system. The other emphasis which I want to place in here, when I do talk with people end to end, very often someone further in the value chain, for example, in the procurement, they do say, Laura, but I do have ideas how sales and R&D or production could improve a product, a service, some kind of decision making, but I don't feel that I have a power or invitation to actually walk to them in their little cubicle and tell them what to do or tell them what to improve. I still want to be nice. I don't want to create unnecessary wrong dynamic, because we all have our fields of zones to play. This is actually what they are sharing, because they don't want to step into the toes on another human being and another function, because organizational chart is showing that you are responsible for your box and you're responsible for your box.